Hi, welcome back. This is just another walkthrough episode of what I'm working on and what you have to expect. So let's take a look. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. It's a big help and it makes my day. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at Clargo Garage. All right, let's have a look. All right, so right now I'm in the process of making a tent for when I travel that fits my cot and goes off my bike, so I'm able to basically stay anywhere, whether it's a parking lot, camping, whatever. So I figured I'd sew a piece on too to kind of cover the bike up. It still needs to be trimmed up and sewed to fit properly, but that's kind of what I'm going for. And then the roof line will be kind of something like that. And we're going to have the poles coming off of the cot. And I have some venting and everything in here too. So it's coming along pretty nicely, actually. This is my first time using a sewing machine, so I'm pretty satisfied so far with how it's turning out. I'm very happy with that. This is the sewing machine that I'm using. Borrowed it from my sister to try it out. And then my chum put a new nose cone on his race car, so this is going to go up on the wall. So I thought that was pretty awesome too. But that's kind of all I'm working on right now, just trying to get ready for my big trip out west. So this is keeping me fairly busy. This is day number 2 of working on it. I'm actually further than I thought I was going to be, but I still have quite a ways to go. I've never used a sewing machine or anything before, so it's a bit of a learning curve, but I think it's going quite well. And the material is a waterproof material, so I should stay nice and dry too, and hopefully it's packs up nice and easy. I am going to make a video on making this. I haven't started recording that. I just wanted to get it set up a little bit further, and then I'll start recording. I know sewing, especially using a sewing machine, isn't what my channel is normally about, but it is automotive. And I also know that it's not something that I'm highly skilled in because I've never done it before. So the video is not going to be too crazy on the sewing portion. I'm going to show what I know that I learned so far, which isn't too much. But I'm more so going to show how I'm mounting it to my bike and my design and that kind of thing, and why I'm making it the way I'm making it. So it should be a good video. And the video on making this will be out after my trip, most likely, unless I move it up in the queue. But if you do see me out and about, come and say hi. So I'm covering a lot of ground in a short amount of time. So if you see me fueling up or whatever, and I might be in a rush to get moving, but if you see me in the evening when I'm parked, I have all the time in the world. So don't hesitate to come and say hi. I'm heading west in Canada from Ontario, and heading all the way to the coast in the Yukon and the Northwest Territories and Alaska. So keep an eye out for me. Thanks for watching and safe travels.